guys, and welcome to 2020. I was actually planning on vlogging yesterday, but on New Year's Eve, I began having this excruciating pain in my lower abdomen. I could barely even walk. It was so bizarre. It was so weird. It made me cry because of how painful it was. And all of yesterday, I had excruciating pain. I could walk, but the pain was really bad. And obviously it was New Year's Day, so I had already planned on spending it with my family, so I still went over there, and good thing I did because my mom took care of me so well. She made me so many homemade remedies that I actually genuinely feel like she's the reason why I feel well enough to even pick up a camera, because even lifting this camera yesterday was so painful. Any movement I would make somehow connected down to my abdomen, and it was just so painful. But I'm glad I'm feeling better. Hopefully it gets better throughout the day. I'm kind of just giving myself some bed rest. Right now I'm just gonna get some editing done, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Forgot my camera.
Oh no. Unfortunate.
We're having a small Mexican dinner.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
A big old burrito.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, I'm getting the quesadilla. Alright guys, so it is the first day of crawfish. Unlike last year, season is actually starting on time, which I'm so excited. So crawfish is on the menu for tonight, but the line is backed up all the way past the bridge. And if you're from the Crosby area, you know what bridge I'm talking about. I'm actually like half a mile, maybe a little bit more than that, from the crawfish shack, which is so crazy. Last year I got here around the same time. It was backed up, but it wasn't this bad. I definitely made the wrong decision of not coming earlier. It's not looking too well, and they're saying that they might sell out. So yeah, I am here in an intersection, and yeah, it's all the way backed up. It is now wrapping around the road. Let's see. Can you see that? Cars wrap around all the way. I'm getting 3 houses.
Indiana is the only one that's left. This?
What'd you get? 3 houses for?
For my pink set.
Your pink set. What properties do you have, man?
Oh, so
Yeah,
he's
green
actually
and,
though.
Hey, Catherine.
Stop it.
Hey guys.
I don't feel like playing anymore.
Huh?
What? What?
Monster's dead,
What?
and I am.
Wow.
There's one house built on each of them.
If I bankrupted you, Matthew, the things go to me.
Oh, for
I bankrupted
No,
you.
he didn't bankrupt me.
Did you pay him?
Yeah, I gave him the red house. I gave him the red property and $100. He said okay.
And then he quit. He didn't want to wait to make money on the green.
Anyway, who's next?
Is it me?
Amalia, you landed on my vent now.
I actually never got crawfish because it was too big of a line and they ran out. It sold out. So that was fun. And now my family's here for a family night.
Do you want short line instead of that? And I'll give you
And they don't
100.
care that I'm vlogging. And Eileen
Yeah.
is mad because she's losing.
I am super mad.
You're not gonna quit right now, are you?
I am about to quit.
Do you want my money?
No.
Are you about to quit?
I want to.
Didn't get nothing.
Sleepy. We had pizza, we had coffee, we had bread, we had...
Look, I'm fixing my money and I'm about to waste all of it. 'Cause that's what happens in my life.
We're watching Frozen. We already watched Aladdin.
Fix my life. Those kind of shit.
What are you talking about? I mean, what?
Hello, everyone. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing great.
Tyler, you're destroying the houses.
Wow, those are my houses.
3.
That's my car. That's my car.
That's not even you.
Her. I know.
She's over here trying to get people to pay for her.
1, 2, States Avenue.
States Avenue.
One house.
1, 2,
Excuse
3,
me.
4, 5, 6, 7.
70.
Good morning, guys. We are on our way to get some kolaches. Did I say that right?
Kolaches? No.
You combine
Cola.
Goliath with kolaches.
Some kolaches. And maybe some Starbucks.
Yes.
It's very cold this morning. And Eileen was having bad dreams last night about Monopoly.
So hey guys, I don't have my seatbelt on, which I'm doing right now. And we're about to go get some kolaches. I don't know what to vlog because this is just a road after this.
Hey guys, so we are on our way. We're on our way to the movies with George's sisters and brother. We're gonna watch Star Wars, and I'm all ready for it. I have my blanket because George said that it was like 2 hours long.
Yeah.
And it's pretty chilly outside too. I should have worn something different, but I wanted to show off my Star Wars shirt. And yes, it has been washed since the last time you saw it. I need to put my seatbelt. So yeah, I have been editing all day. The last vlog of 2019 finally went up. And I was also helping my sister encrypt my dad's terabyte. Now we're running late because of that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, y'all wanted to go bowling, right?
I don't think we're gonna do that yet.
Oh, okay.
They wanted to bowl, movies, then eat. But yeah, we're not gonna do that because I get out of work. I have to work. I work.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, of course. A freaking movie is freaking done. That is like the best movie I think I have ever seen.
For real?
I feel like if you have your basic knowledge of Star Wars, you would get this movie. I'm really, really, really happy with this movie.
Yeah.
I'm never 100% happy with any movie. I'm a very harsh critic.
Yeah.
And to be completely honest, I almost shed a tear. Like, it was right there and I sucked it back in.
Alright everybody, so if you guys enjoyed weekly vlog number 53, please leave a like and a comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.